Good afternoon, Colin here with TechOut, and today we're going to be taking a little bit of a look at nothing. Literally nothing. So we got some accessories here, screen protector and case, and we have the main phone here itself. I really like this packaging. I really like how it's just this nice flat box. With this pull tab, unfortunate thing about the pull tab is you do have to kind of destroy it to open it and pull that little piece off, but other than that, it is just that little sleeve. So this is my first time with a Nothing phone. They didn't have the Nothing Phone 1 really in the US unless you imported it or got it, international version. So kind of excited to check this thing out. I've seen a lot of cool things about it. There's good and bad about everything, but I've seen a lot of cool stuff about this phone. So we have your kind of information here in a little Apple-like pouch, basically the same little shape that comes in an iPhone. We have a really cool SIM eject tool right here, kind of matches the aesthetic of the phone. And we have a USB-C to C cable, again kind of matches the phone. No wall cable, or no wall adapter. One thing about this phone is it also does not have eSIM, which kind of sucks because I have an iPhone 14 Pro. So to switch back and forth, I do have to actually get a new physical SIM every time because you can only use a SIM card once. So I'll just be using my Mini back and forth most likely because it has a SIM slot. But let's take a look at the actual phone here. Very nice weight to it right off the bat. Earth first, 53 parts made with sustainable materials. Its packaging is plastic free, which as you can see it is. So we're going to go ahead and just take this off. All paper. I'm going to try to save this sleeve maybe. Alright, we kind of save the sleeve just for resale later down the road. Alright, get the paper dust off of it. Very, very nice. I really like the back, curved back. A lot of people are saying the curved back feels a lot better. Again, I didn't have the first one, so I don't know what that felt like. But very, very nice feeling in the hand. I like the flat edges and the flat screen. A lot of Androids, especially higher end ones, have the curved screen still, coming from the S23 Ultra. I like both, but I like to change it up a little bit. We have our Glyph lights on the back here. I'm going to go ahead and boot it up real quick. I'm not going to do a full setup or anything in the video, but we'll just go ahead and power it on. Alright, so we got the Nothing there, powered by Android. I like the Nothing dot matrix text that's throughout the OS. And this is the 256 12GB RAM version right here in the gray. Alright, so there we are. It is booted up. I'm not going to do a setup. There's plenty of setup videos out there. It's, other than the theming, it's basic Android 13 setup. So that's the Nothing Phone 2 right here unboxed. I will be doing a video later on with the accessories and a first impressions video as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm Colin with TechOut. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.